Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you the reverse pendulum front squat. Now obviously this is a specific exercise for this machine because you might have had a hack squat machine in a gym, and then with the hack squat machine you can squat down through your legs, a bit like the pendulum squat, but luckily with this one we can actually, like a hack squat machine, we can turn around, face the other way and perform the front squat movement to hit more quads, which will be very useful if somebody wants to develop their front legs. Now, so to utilize this machine, what is going to be key is to lift the latch off. So when it's technically on the safety latch, we lift it off, and then we're literally looking to either let it all the way down to the bottom so that where you're putting on the weights, you can set up going through at the bottom. While it can be a little bit awkward to actually perform or to get inside, it's a very good exercise actually to focus on the front quads. You won't necessarily need to add so much weight as well, so I wouldn't be too concerned about having to put on weight as well. So the setup is I'm going to be facing away and I'm going to be utilizing the platform to put my feet on. The key behind it is to make sure that I stand up straight. And what I mean by stand up straight is that I'm standing straight and my hips are not shifting backwards. I'm really standing straight with my glutes squeezed and my quads, the front legs, squeezed as well. From here, because I'm in an angled position, I'm going to learn how to keep my chest up, my head up, and slowly take the weight into my front legs, my quads, and making sure I'm shifting the balance through the center of my foot. I go as low as possible and I'm able to drive up into a straight line. From here, I just then keep performing that controlled repetition rather than all this bouncy movements. The more controlled I am, the better the muscle contraction and also the tension that you'll place on the muscle. I am trying to squeeze my glutes at the top so it allows me to straighten out, and I am going to try and squeeze my quads as well at the top. Control my weight, keep my chest and my head up, and drive up and squeeze. While it can be quite awkward, as mentioned, it's going to be recommended for this particular machine, this gym. As always, if you have any questions on performing this exercise, please feel free to drop me a DM at any time.